Hi, I'm Kelly, and today I'm sharing 10 DIY Mother's Day gift ideas that you can make with Cricut. Because when it comes to moms, grandmas, or really any mother figure, something personal and handmade always means more. Whether you're looking for last-minute Mother's Day gift ideas, something sentimental, or just looking to level up something that you've already bought, we've got you covered. All of these are beginner-friendly, super customizable, and are guaranteed to make mom feel extra special. I'll link all the projects and tutorials below, so let's get started. First up, personalized DIY Mother's Day gifts that your mom will actually use. We love the idea of taking something store-bought and upgrading it with a little bit of a personal touch that moms love, like a store-bought pickleball set, a curated self-care box or basket filled with items like body scrub, a candle, soap, or a great gardening apron with your own design. Just 5 minutes and a little bit of iron-on or vinyl and you're set. You can never go wrong with a sentimental Mother's Day gift. These next ideas are sure to become keepsakes the moms in your life will treasure for years. If you're looking for a really fun and personalized first Mother's Day gift, we love the idea of taking your baby's handprint and turning them into custom apparel, like these shoes. Just upload the outline into Design Space and then cut it out on some iron-on. And what better way to make mom feel appreciated than to put it up on the wall for everyone to see? This custom wall decor is so cute, and the best part is with Cricut, you can make it totally personalized to you and your mom. I'm always trying to incorporate my kids when I'm planning for Mother's Day. Here are some darling ideas for DIY Mother's Day gifts from your kids. This cute coupon book is such a great way for kids to give mom a gift that doesn't involve a trip to the store and they don't need to spend their allowance. Just a Cricut, some cardstock, and pens, and they're ready to go. Uploading your child's own design is another great way for kids to help DIY a Mother's Day gift. There's no way this won't instantly be her favorite mug, but you could also do this for a t-shirt or a hat too. Design Space can also turn your favorite family photos into cute cartoons and drawings, and we love the idea of memorializing those family photos into something that mom can use all the time, like this cute bag featuring a mom and her daughter. If you're pressed for time, or maybe you're watching this the night before Mother's Day, don't worry, just grab your Cricut. You can make breakfast in bed feel like you spent hours planning it just by adding a little vinyl and personalizing her morning beverage. A personalized sweatshirt is another great functional option that feels a lot more personal than store-bought, but won't take you more than 20 minutes to design and create. Add a sentimental personalization like the year she became a mom, and you've got a thoughtful gift that's specific to her, even if you only came up with it the day before. Mother's Day cards are a must, and handmade cards are a classic that she'll keep around for years. And with Design Space's new card project flows, you can create one perfectly customized in less time than it takes you to drive to the grocery store and get something generic. So there you have it, 10 DIY Mother's Day gift ideas that you can make with Cricut. From sentimental keepsakes to quick last-minute projects, we've got something for every kind of mom. Check the links below for tutorials and project inspiration. Happy crafting and happy Mother's Day!